Hi, I'm Marilyn Jackson, and as a tax-paying citizen and as a true Austinite of 59 years, I have seen and experienced my share of pitiful politicians. I believe that due to a 2018 pending investigation of the Tax Assessor-Collector Office in which no less than 7 employees were indicted, my incumbent opponent should have taken the ethical route and stepped down. But not only has he not stepped down, he is running again. Therefore, my mission is clear. As Travis County Tax Assessor Collector, my first task will be to appoint an outside third party and audit to identify the areas in which corruption, fraud, and abuse have taken place. Second, I will initiate the reset and institute a structure and atmosphere of integrity and transparency. Third, I will revamp, retool, and update the Tax Assessor Collector Administration, especially the Customer Service Department and satellite offices, and streamline the process. As Travis County Tax Assessor Collector, I will dot every I and cross every T, and I will transform the office back into a genuine service for its citizens. Help me do a reset. Hi, I'm Marilyn Jackson. I'm from Austin, Texas, and I am running for Travis County Tax Assessor Collector, and I'm truly excited about it. I need you to help me hit that reset button. And you say, what are we resetting? We're moving out the old and we're bringing in the new. That's what we're doing in 2020. I'm Marilyn Jackson, and I approve this message.